Welcome to English Made Simple Canada, the podcast that helps you navigate everyday situations with confidence. I'm your co-host, Hassan. Today, we're talking about something super important, banking in Canada. Whether you're opening an account, depositing a check, or just taking out some cash, it's good to know what to say. So to help with that, let's listen to a short conversation. In this first one, a customer wants to deposit a check and withdraw some cash.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to deposit this check into my checking account, please.
Of course. Could I have your debit card, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. So that's a deposit of $250. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Yes, actually. I'd also like to withdraw $100 in cash.
No problem. How would you like that?
Could I have it in 20s, please?
Certainly. So that's 5 $20 bills. Here is your cash, your debit card, and your transaction receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
All right, that sounded pretty straightforward, right? Now, let's break down some of the key vocabulary and phrases from that conversation to make sure everything is crystal clear. First, the customer said, "I'd like to deposit this check." To deposit means to put money into your bank account. You can deposit cash, which is physical money like bills and coins, or you can deposit a check, which is a written order to a bank to pay a stated sum from the drawer's account. This is a very common and important word at the bank. Next, he said, "I'd also like to withdraw $100. To withdraw is the opposite of to deposit. It means to take money out of your account. You can withdraw money from a bank teller, like in our example, or from an ATM, which is an automated teller machine." Then the teller asked, "How would you like that?" This is a common way to ask what kinds of bills or denominations you want. Denominations are the different values of money. For example, in Canada, we have 5, 10, 20, 50, and $100 bills. So when the customer asked for 20s, he was asking for 5 $20 bills. Finally, the teller gives him a transaction receipt. A transaction is any activity in your bank account, like a deposit or a withdrawal. A receipt is a small piece of paper that confirms you have paid for something, or in this case, that confirms your transaction. So, a transaction receipt is a record of your deposit and withdrawal. It's a good idea to keep these for your records. Now that you know how to deposit and withdraw money, let's talk about how to open a bank account. This is often one of the first things people do when they move to a new country. Let's listen to a conversation between a new resident and a bank employee.
Hello, welcome to our bank. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm new here, and I'd like to open a bank account.
Of course, I can help with that. Are you looking to open a checking or a savings account today?
I'm not sure. What's the difference?
Great question. A checking account is for daily use. You use it for things like paying bills, buying groceries, and receiving your salary. A savings account is for putting money away for the future. It usually earns a little bit of interest. Most people have both.
And that's it. Simple, right? Practice these phrases and you'll feel much more confident at the bank. What other situations would you like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Made Simple Canada for more lessons. See you next time.